Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am here to share with you an incoming swap that I received from Rhoda is the hostess. She hosted a love note swap, and so we had to make 5 handmade envelopes, and they were filled with a bunch of different requirements. Memory decks, paper ruffles, words, and stitched hearts, and then a stacked embellishment of your choice. So everything had to be flat except for the 2 embellishments, and then we were to put like tie it up with ribbon and then attach some handmade paper clips. So anyway, I got mine back, and so I took it out of the box, but this is what it looked like. And first thing I see here is a cute little gift from Rhoda for entering her swap. This is so sweet and so amazing. So amazing that you did this for every single person that joined. I mean, I was having a hard time just getting my one swap in, getting it completed in time, and here she's made something really, really, really cool and sent everybody. So we got some beautiful trims wrapped around. Love. So we'll take those off. Another one of the requirements is that everything was supposed to be stitched. I think everything was supposed to be stitched and stuff except for the words, but everything else was stitched. So a really, heavy stitching requirement on this one. So she sent this cute little, used to be a little bubble container. She's got a sequin mix in, and then a cute little dangle. So cute. That was attached here with some of this trim. Okay, and then, oh, I see what's happening. Okay, so she has, okay, hang on, set that right there. So she included a cute little paper clip that she made. Look how cute that is. Cute little bow, and then all kinds of layered up goodness back there. Really cute. I love that. She has a little baggie here, like a little treat bag that's got the top and the bottom. It's all sewn, but the side has burst on this, and so my little things are falling out. So let me go ahead and just tip that so they all come out, and then so I don't lose them or drop anymore. But she had a bunch of little charms and flatbacks in there. Oh, so really cute little things. Very nice. Thank you for all those, Rhoda. Okay, so I'm just going to put those aside. I'll put them away when I get done. Okay, and then she's created one of the stitched envelopes. And inside, she has some more things. So she has made an adorable little Memdex card, all layered up. She's got a stitched, folded paper ruffle back there, and then just embellished it with all kinds of fun stuff. This is the... I think it's called, can't remember what exactly it's called. It's from Scrap Diva. I think it's the Cottage die, if I remember right. I'm pretty sure it's Scrap Diva, because she's on the design team also. So anyway, super cute. Very nice. And she has her info on the back. She's such a beautiful, the way she stitches, it's just amazing. I barely can get by on the stitching. If it's something in too many curves and stuff, I have to, I can't do it. She's made this beautiful paper torn bookmark. Some pretty trim at the top. So thank you, Rhoda, for all those fun gifts. So sweet of you. Okay, and then here's my actual swap. This is the stuff that was in the box, and she had a cute little thank you bow there. Thank you for entering her swap. I'm going to set this aside. Over here out of the way. Let me open up this. I'll take it a little bit off away from the phone. Maybe it won't get quite so noisy. Okay, so here is the Love Notes swap that I received. Okay, and I see a card right here. This is from Sandy. Hi, Sandy, I got yours. That's so funny. We could have just sent ours to each other, or just drove it there. Sandy and I only live about 5 or 6 miles apart. So, yeah. So here's all Sandy's information. She's a great crafter. And she has Etsy shop and all kinds of stuff. So a couple of her things came off, looks like. It's hard to keep all these stacked. The hardest part I had of the whole thing, besides keeping everything flat, was tying a ribbon around this stack of, you know, envelopes that were all different sizes and shapes and stuff. So anyway, here is a cute little paper clip that she made. Love that. And that's using heart eyes. And then she's got something else over here. Probably came off, might have came off one of these or something. We'll see, but I'll hook it back up to something. And let's untie her trims right here. And if you guys watched Rhoda's reveals of all these things, she so gently and carefully untied all of the ribbons, and it was amazing. And so she wanted to have them all tied back up exactly, you know, like they came in. So she did a beautiful job. Okay, so Sandy attached this cute little fluffy heart keychain. Thank you, Sandy. I love that. Okay, and then here's some of her trims. Okay, and then she has it tied up with this other one, which I think I ended up doing that. I think I had to tie one layer first with one kind of bow, and then go, you know, then tie over it with all the other trims I was adding on, because I couldn't keep them straight, and everything. The paper clips are falling off, and oh my goodness. So she's got a cute card on here. You are my lucky charm, and it's got that cute little cherry charm there. So cute. I think she must have got these at Home Goods, I think is where she shared them from. So super cute. Okay, so then here we have her first envelope. So cute, all stitched. And then here's her cute little paper clip. Love that. Inside here she has her first item, which is these cute little layered embellishments. Really cute. Love those. Little bird. She's got a bunch of chipboard. She's got a little dangle hanging off each one. And she's for her backing, she's used one of these playing cards. Really cute. I didn't think about using any of those playing cards on mine. So there's that one. Okay, and then we have our next one, all stitched. And so these are all the stitched hearts. She wanted, can't remember how many, 4, I think, maybe, stitched hearts. And she wanted them to be different shapes, different, you know, it's different shapes and stuff. So Sandy's got some that are out of the, you know, that velvety paper and glitter paper. She's got this really shiny, like glossy paper. She stitched around them all. Very cute. Layered up, very pretty, very pretty. Okay, so there's all the envelopes. So I believe what Rhoda's idea was with this swap was you were sending all the basics for somebody to use, you know, for a swap. So she just wanted all the basics, and then everybody could decorate them how they wanted to and add them to what they wanted to and that kind of thing. So it was a really fun swap. So here's Sandy's next paper clip, and this one she's got like on felt, a couple layers of felt. That's really cute. And inside this one, here's her her ruffles, her paper ruffles. She has them all layered up. Very cute and stitched. We had to stitch them We were supposed to try and layer them, but keep them flat. So that was kind of hard to do, to have a couple layers. And most of us just used, I have the ones I made, which I forgot to do a video of, by the way, before I sent my swap off. So it's like, I can't show you what I sent. So hopefully somebody does a reveal of what they receive, whoever got mine, because, yeah. Okay, this must have came off here, because it's, you can see the back of it. Let's see, maybe it did. Oh, you know what, another, a button fell as I opened up the thing, so maybe that was there. I can't remember. Not sure where it was, but it just fell out when I opened it. So anyway, it goes on one of those things. So here's your next envelope. And this one here, she has a very cute, here's her Memdex. All stitched, lots of stitching for all these items, but everything had to be flat and mostly undecorated. Okay, and here's the last one. She's got this cute little paper clip with these, it's a cute little, like, you can see it was an envelope die. And so it's got a heart in the thing and then a couple lines. Really cute. She's got a couple of them layered up there. Okay, and then in this one, she has, must be her words. Yes. So she's got a cute little heart pocket. That's adorable. And then she has all these words stuck in here. Love. I love that one. I think I have that die. Valentine, XOXO, love, and besties. So super cute. Love all those. Thank you so much, Sandy. I am very excited that I received your swap. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rhoda, for hosting this this swap. It was a lot of fun. And you guys be sure to go check out Rhoda's channel. She's such a great crafter, and she does lots of stitching, lots of layering and paper tearing, and yeah, really cute. So anyway, go check out her channel, and if you haven't watched them yet, watch all the reveals. She had some really, really fun entries. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Sandy, for my swap. Thank you, Rhoda, for all this wonderful goodies that you sent also, and for hosting the swap. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.